about a month out from the Gap and CeeLo Trail. I wanted to make a short video and show you guys the gear that I'll be taking. Okay guys, here we go. We have a nature hike Spider 1/10. I did a review on that a couple months ago. I'll try to link the video. Climate Static Deluxe sleeping pad. This one is 30 inches wide versus your normal 20 or 25 inches wide. A little extra room to roll around on. Just some clothes that I'll be taking. Anchor battery chargers. I'm going to take 5 or 6 of those because there's no electricity on the trail where I'll be camping at, so need to recharge everything. Climate Lux pillow, highly recommended. Climate Lux B sheet. It's like a sheet that goes over your sleeping pad. It's got a pocket for the pillow. Sleeping bag liner. Flip flops. Extra gas for the stove. Cable lock, tent light, microfiber towel, earplugs. I hear them are highly recommended. Rain jacket. Got these gloves for when it's raining and the handlebars get slick. That's supposed to do really good. Orange bag is all my personal items. This is my cable pouch. Keep like all my phone charging cables, my GoPro cables, all that. First aid kit. Sawyer mini squeeze. Thermocell. I believe that's the Backpackers edition. Camp Chef striker stove. Got a plate and a rook and a small skillet here. Can opener. That's like a 2-in-1. Got a spoon on one side, fork on the other. Knife, long spoon. That's so I can put my pan on top of my stove. A little bit of soap. Some gas for the stove. Gotta have a koozie. That's a Brooks saddle rain cover. It's a static V seat, just like an inflatable pad. Some extra batteries. All my stickers I'll be carrying with me to hand out. So if you see me stop in, you can get one. GoPro batteries, headlamp. I've got like paper clips in one, and pins in the other, so I can hang up my cards. Garmin GPS, holder for my GoPro, which I'm shooting on right now. Some tire sealant, multi-tool, tire levers, CO2. That's a wolf tooth chain link remover. Little wrench for my mounts on the handlebars. This has got like rack screws. It's like a mini patch kit. Inner tubes. And that's all my selfie stick. And of course more lead bags.